Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video where we will be comparing two amazing kitchen appliances. In the left half of the screen, we have the Instant Pot Vortex, and on the right half, we have the Instant Vortex Plus. These two products have gained a lot of popularity in recent times, and we're here to help you decide which one suits your needs the best. So, let's get started. Now, let's talk about the price of these two products. The Instant Pot Vortex is priced at $59, while the Instant Vortex Plus comes in at $169. Both these air fryers offer exceptional value for their respective price points. If you're on a budget and looking for a more affordable option, the Instant Pot Vortex might be the perfect choice for you. However, if you're willing to invest a bit more for additional features and capacity, the Instant Vortex Plus could be the one to go for. Let's talk about functionality. Both the Instant Pot Vortex and the Instant Vortex Plus offer impressive 4-in-1 and 6-in-1 functionalities respectively. With the Instant Pot Vortex, you can air fry, broil, roast, and reheat your favorite dishes. On the other hand, the Instant Vortex Plus takes it up a notch by offering air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate functions. So if you're someone who loves to experiment with different cooking techniques, the Instant Vortex Plus provides you with more options. Now let's talk about the technology utilized in these products. Both the Instant Pot Vortex and the Instant Vortex Plus feature Even Crisp technology, which ensures a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. Additionally, the Instant Vortex Plus comes with an added feature called Odor Erase technology. This innovative technology helps in reducing lingering cooking smells by using replaceable air filters. So, if you value an appliance that helps keep your kitchen fresh and odor-free, the Instant Vortex Plus is the way to go. Next, let's talk about the capacity of these air fryers. The Instant Pot Vortex is perfect for 1 to 2 servings, making it an ideal choice for individuals or small families. On the other hand, the Instant Vortex Plus offers a larger capacity and can serve 4 to 6 servings. If you often cook for a larger group or have a bigger family, the Instant Vortex Plus will provide you with the necessary capacity to prepare delicious meals in one go. Let's compare the preheating times of these two products. The Instant Pot Vortex boasts little to no preheating time, offering the convenience of getting your food golden and crispy in just minutes. The Instant Vortex Plus shares this feature as well. So whether you're cooking from frozen or need a quick meal, both these air fryers have got you covered with their fast preheating capabilities. And there you have it. Our comparison between the Instant Pot Vortex and the Instant Vortex Plus. Both these products offer exceptional performance and features. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs, budget, and desired capacity. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below which one you prefer, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.